SQL Interview Questions and Answers 2024. As you might have already known, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to maintain communication with a database. SQL is also.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Considered a standard language for relational database management systems. A lot of relatable database management systems feature SQL. The following systems are Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, Sybase, Access, and others. MySQL is one of the most widely used databases in RDBMS. This review was done by the American National Standards Institute, ANSI. The SQL statements can be utilized to finish the work that involves things like updating data on a database and retrieving data from a database. SQL knowledge is essential for the majority of services. There are a lot of important questions for which the candidates need to be prepared while going for an interview. Set 1. SQL Interview Questions and Answers. State the different subsets of SQL. Data Definition Language, or DDL, which lets the candidate carry out different functions and perform tasks on the database, is one of the most important subsets of SQL. These operations and functions include alter, create and delete. What is meant by DBMS, and how can it be classified? DBMS stands for Database Management System, and it is a software application that connects with the candidate as well as the applications. The following also connects with the database and applications to acquire and examine the data in the database. How are the table and field defined in SQL? When we use the term table, it means that there is a cluster or cluster of data in a proper and well-settled manner that is arranged in the form of rows and columns. One of such tables is student information. In SQL, what is meant by joins? In SQL, we generally use the join clause to conjunct rows from two tables or more at times. The following conjunction is based on a related column between the following. How can we distinguish between char and varchar2 data type in SQL? Char as well as varchar2 are both used for the characters data type. But there lies a difference. We can say that varchar2 is basically utilized for character strings of different lengths. On the other hand, char is used for strings having the same length. How can you define primary key? A primary key is basically a column that verifies each row in a table. It can also be a set or cluster of columns for identifying the number of rows in a table.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.